Hi everyone! It's me once again. Welcome back to Malu's Vlogs. Today's vlog, guys, I am going to cook a chicken curry for my boys. So let's go, guys. I'm going to prepare all the ingredients that I need for my chicken curry, guys. Okay, so I'll see you guys.
20 minutes later.
All the ingredients that I prepared, guys. Chicken breast cut into cubes, potato, carrots, red onions, green chilies, fresh coconut cream, garlic, curry powder, Knorr cubes, olive oil, and salt and pepper. So we're ready to cook now, guys. My boys doesn't like with bones, so I have to use the breast chicken. Okay, guys, so let's start cooking it now. Olive oil, garlic, now that it's a little bit brown, we need to set it aside, guys, because we have to cook the potato and the carrots. Smells good, guys. Taste muna natin. Manamis-namis ang gata, guys. Wow. It's a fresh coconut cream. Wow, masarap talaga pag fresh na gata. Wow, gata. We have to cook it more. Here it is. It's ready to eat. Love. Victor, how's your curry?
Amazing.
Your hair na is long na, ha?
The shrimp's really good too, actually. I got a lot of shrimp in a while.
Enjoying their food.
I need thumbs up, I think.
1 hour later.
Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I hope you like it, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up guys, and to those who haven't subscribed, please do subscribe guys and hit the notification bell so you are always updated every time I posted a new video guys. Alright, so thank you so much once again, and I'll see you soon on my next vlog guys. Bye!